Hey, what's going on everyone? Here KTR Kadir. This is a super awesome tutorial about how to design a scroll view, a static form in scroll view using Xcode. Now I am already create a new project and I'm in a storyboard. Now I am going to add a view, the scroll view, we can drag and drop, and we can set our frame for that scroll view as a full screen of this our self.view, and we can set the constraint for the scroll view. Likewise, setting the scroll views like leading, tailing, top and bottom. Then you can change the scroll view things like setting as a 0 and safe area, this also the 0. Likewise, we can set it. Now I am going to add the content view like a UI view and adding on the center of our scroll view and setting the frame as a same what we set at scroll view. Now I am setting the frame for the scroll view like setting the 4 sides and also setting the center for the horizontal as well as vertical. Now the layout error was gone. Now I am setting some background color like something. Now we can run the project in a simulator. We can see the scroll view content view. Once done, we can be design our form, a static form, like the scroll view was completed. It's exactly perfect. Now I am adding some labels as well as UI views and UI views and adding the label of the view as a title, and also set some UI text field like it's nothing but as like we can set as a login form, and also likewise. Now I am setting this label. What we need means we can set the font and also title, content. It's nothing but setting a login and setting the font as a large title, and then adding the constraint for that label like top and leading. Before that, we have to set the constraint for the super view. So I am setting the constraint for the super view. It's nothing but like this top and high width, and also setting as horizontally, and set that bottom. Likewise, the constraint will be good. Now we set a label constraint by the two constraints only. One is a top and another is a left, and also setting the text field constraints. If you need to set the constraint for two text field, you can do it, or else you can set as a stack view, embedded with the stack view, and set the constraints for the stack views like from the vertical space as well as leading a same of the label, and setting the width is nothing but a equal width, and we change our width as like 9. Likewise we can change it, and also we can set our height for the stack view, so that we can change our set as height to our self.view height, and also change our multiplier to 2 something, or else we can set as a 1 5, it's enough, and set as a equal fill equally. Then I am setting the placeholder for this is a username and a password. Likewise I set as a text field. Then I am setting the login button as a center of the stack view, and setting the constraints like vertical space as well as horizontally, and also equal width for the stack view. It is enough for the button. Now setting as a login, and setting some background colors like yellow, and setting the font like body. It's enough. We can set the width for like width for like 5 or else 6. We can set it like this, and also we can set as a label. This is nothing but a this label. This label is nothing but we can set as a vertical and space. Likewise we can set that, and we can add set some title like if you are not have an account, register here. Likewise setting the button as a register button, and also setting the horizontally, and the same height and width is for registration button, so that I am setting some same width and height. It's enough. Like we have to set something like register, and we can set our width and height constraints like 1, and height also as 1. Now the constraints are very good. Now we can set the font for the register button. It's nothing but a medium, or else we can set as a body, and background color is nothing but we already set as a orange, so that we say change as something blue, and the title color is a white. Likewise we updated. It's okay. Based on the now what we are going to do is, based on the content of the scroll view, the scroll view have to adjust. We can't able to set the content size for each scroll view, because of so that I am setting that bottom constraint for the last element of the add sub views as like a button, and I am set as like this, and also we can change our content view bottom constraint. Likewise, setting like we can check. Likewise, 20. Likewise, now the content was very ugly. We can remove the constraint for the center. Now the design is very good. Likewise, we can change it what we need. Now I am running the project again. If you design like this means like this pattern means this will be support for accessibility also. We can check it on the simulator. It's pretty good to design the any other static forms. It's very helpful to you. Now there is no scrolls because the content was inside of the scroll view is very fit. If you need to support the accessibility feature, you can change like this label as a dynamic type is a checkbox to automatically adjust font as a tick, and also for the each element we can be set as a dynamic type so that the font will be changed what we need. Likewise, I am setting the each elements. If you need to button font, you can change it on the code. Likewise, now I am run the project. Now I am change my accessibility font sizes, so the design will be automatically adjust the font. Likewise, change it to the font as a small as well as a big, so that automatically the font will be adjust. Likewise, we can be set our each each element to the accessibility sizes. Likewise, we can design our scroll view and we can support our accessibility features in a iOS project. I think this video will be very helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.